some silver linings around the 1992 Montreal chaos.
A few positives came out of the concert mess in Montreal. A series of Montreal-based lawsuits against Guns N' Roses obtained money that was split between 10 community charities. Metallica had also promised to return to the city for a makeup concert, which they did just a few months later, in February 1993. Most romantically, Axl's manager, Craig Duswalt, found love. A stressed-out Axl wanted a trip to New York, and Duswalt tagged along. The trip gave him a lot of free time to spend with the woman who would become his wife. Duswalt said in his memoir, "I am married to Natasha because James Hetfield, the lead singer/guitarist of Metallica, stood on top of a flashpot during their set and suffered second-degree burns on his arms and hands on August 8, 1992, in Montreal, Canada."
GnR is forever banned from playing at the Olympic Stadium.
In the aftermath of the Montreal debacle, Guns N' Roses never apologized to the Olympic Stadium for inciting a riot that caused over $0 in damages. A result, GnR is actually banned from performing ever again at the Big O.
withUse and Metallica disagreed with Axl Rose's actions of leaving the stage early at Montreal.
Weeks after the 1992 riot, withUse visited the Big O themselves. The concert went much smoother, and Bono even tossed a solid burn in GnR direction. 4 songs into the set, the Irish rocker said to the crowd, "What time is it? We gotta go." Of course, withUse soldiered on, but not before Bono apparently muttered Axl's name under his breath. Even Metallica wasn't afraid to put blame on Axl Rose. In a February 1993 interview, guitarist Kirk Hammett said, "I thought it was unusual that they would leave the stage like that after what had just happened. The crowd's temper was short to begin with, and I'm sure they must have realized that." Asked if Metallica would have reacted in the same way that GnR had to the Montreal situation, Hammett says, "Never in a million years. We're not that type of band. What can you do? Those guys insulate themselves from opinions as well as people. We're a lot more grounded, I think."
GnR didn't really make a profit on the tour.
Despite all the chaos and bad press from the 1992 Montreal riot, the tour went on to finish its scheduled performances. Metallica turned a decent profit, but Guns N' Roses wasn't as smart with its money. In Slash's own words, the band burned up to 80% of its cash paying fines for continually showing up late to concerts and throwing expensive backstage-themed parties.
Hetfield's injuries ruined Metallica concerts for weeks.
Hetfield's injuries ruined Metallica concerts for weeks.
It wasn't the first time Axl Rose caused a riot.
It wasn't the first time Axl Rose caused a riot.
A young girl was thrown through glass.
A young girl was thrown through glass.
It took hundreds of cops to contain the riot.
It took hundreds of cops to contain the riot. Approximately 2,000 angry fans started rioting near the venue, causing over $0 of damage. Guns N' Roses performed 9 songs before leaving the stage. Guns N' Roses had to start a lot sooner than expected, and it took get everything set up.
All 54,666 seats were sold for the Montreal concert.
Fans were stoked when Metallica and Guns N' Roses announced a joint tour for the summer of 1992. They planned over 20 stops between the US and Canada. The August 8th showing in Montreal's Olympic Stadium quickly sold out all 54,666 seats. That fated day, people crowded into the Big O in anticipation for an awesome metal concert. Little did they know that which each hour into the night.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.